This is a short overview over the functionalities available in the Zoom webinars the ACPBS is using in the online lectures. When you enter the webinar, you will be most probably seeing this full screen view. In the left upper corner, you can see the red light, which means that this session is being recorded. Please do not attend ACPBS webinars if you don't agree to having the session recorded and later published, for example on social media. However, your video and your audio will not be shared. You can exit the full screen view with choosing View Options and Exit Full Screen. This is the standard view with the speaker and host at the top and the presentation at the bottom. You can switch to side-by-side view with clicking on View Options, side-by-side mode. You can adjust the window after your liking. In the case that the speaker sound is too loud or not loud enough, you can go on Audio Settings. First you can choose the speaker here and you can go into the settings and adjust the level of the volume for the speaker. You will not have a microphone available during our webinars. The functionalities available to communicate with the other participants and the host are first the chat option. This option allows you to communicate only to the panelist or everyone, the panelists and the other attendees. For example, you could just say hello in here. Or hello from Sweden or wherever you're from. You can also send a message just to the host with choosing all panelists. If you choose to use the chat function, your name will be shown in the chat window. This is the only time you can be identified as participant. Again, we are recording the session and the session will be published. If you do not agree to have your name shown, do not use the chat function. If you would like to submit a question for the question and answer session, please click on Q&A. You can choose to send it with your name shown or anonymously. And please formulate your question so that we can read it to the speaker afterwards. If there are already questions posted, please do not post redundant questions. Choose instead to upvote your questions. The questions you like, the questions you would like to ask as well, and we will see your votes. As soon as the questions are being answered, they might be answered in text or live to the speaker. They will be shown as answered questions. You have two windows, My Questions with solely your questions and All Questions. So please leave it on All Questions, and before you post the questions, read through the already posted questions and decide whether you can just upvote a question which is already there or whether you have to post your own question. That is all what's available in our webinars. I think it's straightforward. If you have any more questions, please ask them via email to Yvonne, Y-V-O-N-N-E, Werner, W-E-R-N-E-R, @dell.ca, and I will be glad to answer your questions.